woke up around 4:30 and we're heading to drop off our car for the day. We got a free car stay. Our car can stay at a parking spot for free.
Rewards program.
It's awesome. So then we gotta rush through security and hopefully make our flight. I think we will, but I feel like we do this every time, every morning.
Man, Hannah doesn't like it, but I enjoy the rush.
No, I want to just enjoy my time getting there and not freaking out. So
Makes it more fun, people. You gotta just live life on the edge.
yeah, so we are only spending one day in New York. It's gonna be super fun, but it's like we're not gonna have a lot of time, and I think we're gonna go pick up this Sony camera that's there, the Sony A7 III. We've been like hunting down deals for a long time now, and we think we found a new one that's an okay deal, so we're gonna pick it up.
Yeah, it's kind of been hard. I've been looking, like, normally I like finding like killer deal, but dude, it's like everyone wants almost what the new price is. It's crazy.
Yeah, so we found a lady and hopefully we can meet up with her today. And yeah, we're gonna have fun in New York City.
What?
Okay, so we're in the airport right now. And I just got the book Girl Wash Your Face. I'm excited to read it. Let me know in the comments what you guys think about it, because I've heard mixed reviews, but I've also heard it's really awesome. So go and check it out. It's by Rachel Hollis. So Kyle just got a battery charger for his phone. He's plugging it in right now.
Gotta have juice.
Sun is coming up, are you ready to go? We can take it right, we can take it slow. Yo, well, it's my law, I'ma let you be the boss, cause I'll go where you go.
How's your bar?
That's amazing. I'm starving right now.
I got you
Okay,
blueberry
we gotta get
crisp.
this whole thing down. We're in the morning. Like, we have something better than this.
Yeah, what
Hold
should
us
we
over.
get?
Or at night. I
Yeah.
don't know.
What should we get?
Leave it down in the comments.
Take you to a place we can see it all. Step off the edge, I can break your fall. Your will is my law, I'ma let you be the boss, cause I'll go where you go. When you fall down, I'll get you back up again.
Today's video is sponsored by
Things you try are things that you won't regret. We are kings of the world, and tonight is our playground. We are kings of the world, and anywhere it's homebound. We are kings of.
Now you're excited?
I'm excited. I'm excited. I see the light.
That's cool.
I'm gonna get over these flights, man. Oh, I feel relieved.
Yeah.
We're out of all the travel. And now we get to enjoy.
This is definitely a lot crazier than San Francisco though. San Francisco, like there's not a
Yeah,
lot
it's
of
like chill. San
Yeah, it's
Francisco's
chill.
This ain't chill.
but look it, it's so cute.
Sun's not really.
It is such a beautiful day. Oh my gosh, you guys.
For New York City, it's not.
Like it's really not that cold at all. We brought a ton of jackets and layers, but we don't even have to put them on, so we're excited.
Tonight is our playground. We are kings of the world.
Guys, we're in H&M.
And anywhere it's homebound. We are kings of the world.
Alright guys, so we're trying to go to Two Bros Pizza. What are you doing? What are you doing? Alright guys, so we're trying to go to Two Bros Pizza.
Yes.
And we're gonna get some pizza. And then, I'm not sure what we're doing.
Yeah,
We just got
explore.
top view. And if we call Abu, if we call Abu, then we get to ride on the top view
Yeah, we
tour.
might take the little tour around the city so we know what to
Right
do
there,
around
look
here.
at it, right there. There it is, people. There it is. We're almost there. Point 2 to Two Bros Pizza. 150 feet. $2 for 2 slices of pizza. You can't get a deal like that. That's awesome.
Let's see it. How's it taste? Does it really taste better?
I don't know. Let's find out.
Is it good?
Pretty good.
Good. Two Bros Pizza, guys. Come and get it.
Think about it, $2, not tax and all. $2. That's like, dude.
Nothing.
That's awesome.
Last time Kyle was here, he bought a guy. I think he was homeless. He definitely was homeless.
He was searching out the trash can. I was like, okay, that's a real dude right there.
Yeah.
That's not someone fake.
So he got him a whole pizza, and this guy went ham on the pizza and was like huddled around and trying to eat it so no one else would take it. But it was just cute.
He didn't even like talk to me, man. I was
didn't?
just like, I had to keep asking him like, you want pizza? He's like, I was like, what do you like to drink? Coke? Good. He's like didn't really, I don't think he cared. I think he was just like,
Aww. So it was really sweet. So on each of these trips we do, I really want to like be praying about what person God would want us to help.
Yeah, I mean, there's a ton of people that need help, and you can't help them all. And so it's just like, I don't know,
It's like we're so blessed to have this opportunity, so we want to just care for others while we're having fun. Okay guys, so look at how pretty all of this is. Right now, what are we doing? Okay, so we just bought 2 tickets for this touristy bus pass thing. It's gonna show us around. Oh, there it is, right there. Where?
It's right there.
Oh.
But anyway, so we got 2 tickets. We figured that'd be the best way to just kind of like get an idea of what the city's like, and then when we come back next time, then we kind of do our own thing. But for now, we have right around 2 hours before we gotta get this camera, and it's kind of the same. Like the guy said, it'll take about 2 hours to do like a full circle of it.
Yeah.
So I figure we can do that, and then we can jump on it later and go check out this.
Yeah. So it'll be fun. Guys, look how cool this is. This is the fashion district. So it has a big button and a pin, and then that old guy making clothes. Okay, these are the friends we made on the bus.
Hey, my name is Nado.
Nado.
Betty.
Betty? Oh, what's your name?
Yeah.
What's your name?
What's
What's your name?
What's your
My name is Mesfin.
Mesfin. Nice to meet
nice
you.
to meet you guys.
Yeah,
Nice to meet you.
Follow me away, cause we can't stay here. Let yourself go, you got nothing to fear. You'll never be alone, let the highway be our home. Cause I'll go where you go. When you fall down, I'll get you back up again. The things you try are things that you won't regret. We are kings of the world.
All right, guys. So we just came from the
Meatpacking District,
yeah,
Chelsea Market.
Chelsea Market, really cool. If you ever go there, you gotta try the
Noodle house or noodle something?
fresh, I don't know, you'll see it in there. Anyways, it had a soft opening, so it was brand new. Really, really good.
It was so good. It was
like amazing.
Asian food. I don't even know what type of Asian
The
food.
noodles were really cool. You'll see it in the video, or you probably already saw it.
Hey guys, okay, we just picked up the camera.
Yep, guy was pretty cool. He told us all about the different things we can get for the camera, and basically, I guess he's a photographer himself, and he shoots. He did like a shoot for Sony or something, so they gave him the camera as like kind of
Payment.
payment.
So he was really cool, but now we're gonna go find some dinner and then try to get on the air train and go back to the airport. So we're having fun, but it's like a very short day.
Yeah, it's like fun, but at the same time, it's kind of tiring. Waking up at like 4 o'clock in the morning.
I definitely don't feel as tired as I did though going to San Francisco. I was like dead that day. So I feel a lot more awake now, but
it's because we worked all day and then just went on
yeah.
and left.
But it's so weird because the night before, like we could not sleep, both in San Francisco and last night. Like we couldn't sleep at all, and it was like we kept waking up because we knew we had to wake up so early. So anyway, he's tired.
Yeah, I'm going down, people. I'm going down. We're gonna try to find something to eat, but I don't really know what. We're heading towards the Macy's place, so I'm not sure what's around there.
There's probably a bunch around there, hopefully.
We can take a ride, we can take it slow. Your will is my law. I'ma let you be the boss, cause I'll go where you go. I'll take you to a place we can see it.
Let's go to Times Square.
Gotta watch out when you're walking backwards in the city.
I'll tell you. I'll be your dad.
This is only America.
I know, like literally a place.
We like are like so amped.
And look at advertisements.
There's H&M again. Wow.
There's a ton of H&M. Just a ton of shopping here. Which we don't have enough room for shopping. This is all we brought.
We got our camera.
Yeah.
We did our shopping.
We did our shopping for the year with that camera.
Oh, step off the edge, I can break your fall. Your will is my law. I'ma let you be the boss, cause I'll go where you go.
Spider-Man and the Statue of Liberty talking to each other.
Hanging out. We saw Times Square for a few minutes, but now we have to head back. We need to grab some dinner.
This trip felt very rushed. I don't like this.
Hey, leave your favorite dinner places down below because next time we come we want to try them. Just got peanuts.
I wish you could videotape these people because they're really kind of cool and funny, but I feel kind of
awkward
and rude.
filming them, but this guy had like a red beard.
He was about, if we didn't like them, he'd give us our money back.
Yeah, so he made me try them.
And then he goes, see, she likes them. See? And then he's wanting me to pay more. He's like looking at me like,
show them, they're really good. They're like sugary cashews.
yeah, they're everywhere in New York City, they're good.
I think for dinner tonight, we'll do the weed truck. What do you think?
Sounds filling, actually.
Yeah, very fulfilling.
Yeah. Right to the soul.
Yeah, right to the soul. Guys, if you want some...
This oily, sexy beast.
Yeah, look at
Getting
this
younger
old guy.
at 50 years.
And then look at his like boutique or whatever.
With his ladies.
Yeah, I think it's jeans.
When you fall down, I'll get you back up again. The things you tried.
Okay, we're leaving New York City. Well, we're in New Jersey now. Going to the airport.
Have a good night's sleep on the train.
I can't wait to sleep next to you.
Nashville, we're going to touch down ahead of schedule at about 21 minutes past 10, and then into the gate a few minutes early.
We're back in Nashville, party people. We're super tired, but it was a fun day. Love you guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.